What's up guys, Jared here with Staying Tall Auto Reviews, and today I got a new video for you. This one's a pretty simple video, should be quick. It's how to replace your air filter on your 2019 to 2021 Kia Forte. Obviously the new ones are probably exactly the same too, but because I'm going by body style, that's how we're going to do it. So today I'm putting this K&N air filter in there. We'll see if it works. Apparently it's good for MPGs and performance. It's not that much of a difference, but I still wanted to test it. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you how to replace the air filter. Let's go. And this is for the non-turbo model, so the 2.0 liter. The 1.6 will be different. Let's go. All right, so we start with the obvious part. Open up the hood, and when you open the hood up, you're gonna go and find out where the air filter is, which is right here. And we're gonna start by taking this off, which all you do is you press the little clips back, and you make sure you get all of them. So there's two right there. And then we make sure there's nothing else. We go ahead and give it a good lift, and you'll see right in there is that air filter. So let's go ahead, take it out real quick and show it off. All right, so here's that old air filter that I'm replacing. As you can see, it's been through a little bit. This one's about 12,500 miles in. All right, so we got the old one out as I showed. Here's the box right here. Here's where everything goes, just in case you need to know. Now here's a new air filter. We're about to go and drop it in. All right, so now the old one is out and the new one is in. So we're gonna go ahead, just close it back up. Make sure you have it tight and all the pins go back. The prongs, I should say. You can also kind of make sure it's tight on there. That'll do it. As you can see, this is a very simple process. Anyone can do it. You just got to put the time in, and hopefully this video will help somebody out there. If it does, please let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and I appreciate you guys' views. See you in the next video. Peace out.